Flux AI. If you're one of those active users on the internet, I am pretty sure that you already heard about this AI tool. So what is Flux exactly? Black Forest Lab has recently launched an open source AI model which you can generate stunning and high quality images like this, or maybe this one, or even this, totally for free, even on your own computer. The quality that Flux AI provides is so good that even Elon Musk uses Flux to power his AI image generator called Grok 2. And trust me, I use Flux all the time for my content creation, and it is just outstanding. I personally prefer Flux over Midjourney a lot of times because with Flux AI we can generate high quality text over the images, which Midjourney sometimes struggle with. However, because Flux is fairly new, there are a few platforms that you can generate images with Flux AI right now, and many of them are way too expensive, and all of them are censored, and you cannot generate uncensored images with Flux, which is, to be honest, Flux is really good at those images. But wait, I just told you that Flux AI is open source, which means you can install it locally and generate as many images as you want, and also on your local machine you can generate uncensored images as well. Well, yeah, that's somehow true, but in order to do so you need a really powerful computer, unless you will be like my friend here. So if you don't want to waste a lot of time on generating images on your local machine, and also don't have a powerful computer, don't want to waste your money on those powerful computer, and also if you don't want to waste all of your money on AI image generators, which you have to pay monthly fees or something like that, in this video we are going to move this even further, which you can generate unlimited, uncensored images, as many as you want, with Flux AI with just a few cents per hour. Can you believe that? Well, stay tuned until the end of this video. I will show you how you can generate these stunning images, and even I will reveal a trick how you can convert them into some amazing AI videos. So we're going to get this image and convert it to this amazing video. Alright, now enough talking, let's just dive in. The name of this amazing AI platform is MimicPC. You can find the link below into the description. So hit that link and come to this platform so we can explore what we can do and what we can generate with this amazing AI tool. Okay, now let's explore what exactly we can do with this amazing platform. The first thing that we can do is image creation, and it supports popular models like Flux, SD 3.5 and other to generate high quality images. The next one is model training, which we can train our own models to be able to actually generate consistent character for any purpose that we want. The next part is video creation. Create dynamic videos that bring sense to life with realistic animation and fluid transitions. So as you can see, we can also have face swapping. This part is really awesome, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to create a video about that part. And audio creation, also any large language model like Ollama, Chatbot Ollama, or Story Diffusion. So before going into the platform, I'm going to show you a few other cool stuff that they provide. So if you hit the workflow menu, we come to this page, and as you can see, we have workflows ready to use for us. So for example, if you want to generate this exact model, or I don't know, maybe you want to generate this animation, we have ready to use workflow with ComfyUI. For example, we can use LoRa, we can have a 3D creation like this. Also, we can have some e-commerce product images, maybe clothes changing, and also product replacement. So if you are interested in that, how we can actually use these ready to use workflow, let me know in the comment below. I will try to create a full tutorial about how we can actually use these ready to use workflows. But let's explore another part of this website, which is the tutorial part. I already mentioned that we can use Flux, but let's see if I choose this part, you can see that how we actually can use Flux point 1 or Flux AI to generate these images. So now that we know a little bit more about this platform, let's just dive in and see how we can start the image generation. I hit the free launch. I am going to be redirected to this dashboard, but you have to create an account first. Because I already had an account, I just redirected and logged in into my own account. After your registration, you will get a $50 or 50 cents to start exploring this amazing AI platform. All right, now from here you can see all of these amazing AI tools which we actually can start using them with this platform. So we have Auto One Web UI, also Olama Web UI, maybe chatbot, FaceFusion, which is one of the amazing tools which we can face swap with that one. We have ComfyUI. We have a lot of cool, amazing AI tool. We also have a Flux Gym, which you can also use that one as well. But let's see how we can use Flux actually. So I'm going to choose Auto 1111 Web UI Forge. So I hit the Get Started button from here, and from here I first can rename this tool. I can use the latest version to use all those amazing features. From here I can use on which computer I want to run this tool. So let's explore the pricing here. I can use the medium, large, large pro, and ultra. But in order to have a better speed on this video, I'm going to use the ultra version because it's about $2 per hour. And also if we shut down the device sooner, we would not be charged for the whole amount. We would just be charged about the amount that we are using. So let's just use this one, the ultra one. From here I can change the minutes that I want to actually use the AI tool. So I am going to go with 30 minutes as default, and I just leave the rest as it is. So I'm going to create and start. It will take a few minutes to get this up and running, but as it is stated here, don't worry, this setup time will not be charged. How amazing that is, right? So even the setup part, we don't have to pay for that part. All right, now I'm going to switch the camera again. This is the interface that we can just start the image generation. Now I'm going to copy a prompt that I already prepared, and I'm going to do a text to image and paste the prompt here. From here I can choose any model that I want. I'm going to go with Flux Chanel for now, and as usually we can choose the width, the height, and any other setting, but we are going to keep this really simple. I just want to do a width of 90/20 and 1080. All right, now let's just hit the generation. All right, until we get our image done, I'm going to explain a little bit about this nav bar. So from here we can see the app ID, the app name, which version of the computer we are using. We are using L40S, 48 GB VRAM, 32 GB of RAM. We can see the timer from here. We can stop our machine, relaunch it, or extend the time. And also from here we can see all of the file systems, and all of our images will be saved into this storage. All right, I didn't get it right because I forgot to choose the Flux from here, because we have to change the UI from SD to Flux. So now let's try out another time. I'm going to decrease the size so we can just make it a little bit faster only for this video. So let's hit the generation button again. So as you can see how fast it generated the image, and we also can see a preview here. Well, yeah, actually that's a really cool image. So let's explore another one. I'm going to paste the prompt here, and this time I'm going to use Flux Dev BNB. Let's hit the generation button. Oh wow, actually this image looks really good. All right, now let's try another one and hit the generation button. All right, nice, right? we have a really cool image. Let's just try one more time. All right, paste the prompt and hit the generation button. Cool image, right? Another one. This image actually turned out a little bit blurry, but that's fine. We can try another one. That is a really cool image, right? All right, now if I come to my dashboard, I can see the usage and the amount of credit that I used, for example, to run this AI tool. So for the first time, I used about 10 cents. And for the second one, in purpose of this video, I used about 80 cents. So that's not a lot of money. So now let's turn this cool image into a really good video. I'm going to download this image from here and open up Leonardo. I already told you about Leonardo, and we are just going to use the image upscaler. All right, now I'm going to upscale these in a high or ultra. I will use the ultra one and upscale the image. And as you can see, we turned a blurry somehow image to a stunning realistic image. So let's just download this one and go to the claying.ai, which I already introduced you in the previous video. So I hit this one and drag and drop this image here, and I'll say smiling in the wind. And I'm going to use the standard mode to not waste 35 credit and hit the generate button. So it will generate in 3 minutes. In the meanwhile, I'm going to show you a few videos that I generated. So let's see. Another video. And maybe another one. Oh, this video turned out a little bit weird, but I generated another version of this. Much better, right? And this one. Wow, really cool. As I said, I'm trying to do a 1 minute or 2 minutes full AI generated video, and I will publish it to the channel really soon. So if you want to see that, hit the subscribe button too. Don't miss that out. All right, that's it. Now let's see the video. Alright, we also converted the image to the video. Alright guys, that was it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you like this type of content, I will appreciate your support if you subscribe my channel and give a thumbs up to this video. See you on the next one.